Okay, staying with solving for a variable, this is part B. What we're looking to do is get a value for x that will allow us to say that the left-hand side, when you add those together, equals the right-hand side. Now, they're different terms. So the x and the minus 2x are like terms, but the x and the 1 aren't like terms. So you can't bring the x and the 1 together. You can't bring the 4 and the minus 2x together, but you could rearrange it to get all the x's on one side, all the numbers on the other. So my tip is x's on one side, numbers, hashtag there for numbers, on the other. Now I could generalize that and say letters on one side, numbers on the other as well. So I'm going to make sure the x's are on this side. That stays where it is because I'm going to have the x's over on the left. When I bring that over, it's currently being subtracted. So when I bring it over, it changes sign. The numbers then, that's going to stay where it is, but when I bring that over, it becomes -1 because it was +1 on that side. Simplify both sides. 3x equals 3. And now this question becomes very similar to the one above. 3 by x is 3, so x equals 3. It's multiplying there, so when we bring it across, it divides, so x equals 1 is your answer. Now there are 3 more. Pause the video and do them, but I'm going to keep going. Just make sure you can do these. All right, my goal here, first of all, is have everything with x on one side, everything with the numbers on the other. That's plus x. When you bring it across, it becomes minus x. That thing is staying where it is. That stays where it is. That's already a +4. Bring the +2 across, it becomes -2. Now simplify both sides. 2x equals 2. Solve for x. X equals, I bring that 2 across. It was multiplying on this side. When I bring it across, it divides. So x equals 1 is my answer. The next one, I'm going to bring everything with y onto the left. There are 2 terms with y in it already on the left. So when I bring that over, it changes sign. I have 1 there. And when I bring this over, it changes sign as well. So 7y minus 2y minus 3y, I got 2 y's. And then on the right, I'm going to have -4. 2 by y is -4. Bring the 2 across, and it does the opposite of what it was previously doing. That means it divides under, and we get y is -2. All right, and the final question. There we go, it's in focus. What I'm going to do here is multiply the -4 into the brackets. So it's -4 by the first and -4 by the second. And then I'll repeat the steps for the previous 6 questions. So -4 by x and -4 by 2. All right, now this is like the previous questions. Make sure that everything with x is on one side and the thing with the numbers then are on the other. That's -8, bring it across, becomes +8. Simplify. And then -4 by x is 24. When you bring the -4 across, it's multiplied by the x there, so when you bring it across, it divides under. Don't forget, plus divided by minus is a minus, and the number is 7.